Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
And Next Weather Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera joins us once more. Ivan, you say rain is on the way, right?
A little bit of rain, guys, tomorrow. In fact, a couple of thunderstorms as well. This is going to be our transition into what will be a less humid and cooler air mass. Right now, for this time of year, anyway, pretty sultry stuff here. Feels like 84, felt like 90 earlier this afternoon. Our dew points are up, humidity is up. When you get that dew point right at 70 or anything above that, you can feel the humidity, no question about it. But as far as the temperatures, we hit it right on the mark today. 82 is our normal high, and 82 was the high temperature. But the overnight lows, as I always talk about with that wind off the water, very difficult not only to go below 70, but we stay in the low 70s. So here's the front's going to change our weather. Do not expect this kind of weather over Tampa, over us, despite the fact that it's the same front that's going to be coming in. Conditions and ingredients are going to become less favorable for activity, but I think we still will manage a couple of showers and thunderstorms before we get into somewhat cooler air, absolutely, but it's not going to be, kind of sweater situation throughout the entire day. In fact, I think the more important thing behind this front is going to be the drop in humidity. Look at how low it is across the southeast. Still plenty of it across Florida and through the Carolinas, but that dry air will also push down to the south behind the front, and that with lower temperatures is going to make it feel fantastic heading into the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend. But again, transition day for tomorrow, so we'll track some showers and even a couple of thunderstorms. Southeast wind continues to drive in a couple of showers here off the Atlantic. Not a huge deal, but we have been hit with some of these, and at times, they bring down a couple downpours here. They're brief, but that is what we have set up. It's not the actual front yet. That comes in tomorrow, and when it does, out ahead of it, we're still in the mid-80s, warmest day of the week likely, and then we dive down below the average line, which, as I mentioned, is 82. So we'll be 4 degrees below that, I think, for the upcoming weekend. That is spectacular weather heading into Easter weekend here, no question. There comes the front. It's a little disturbance along the southern tail of it here, so that I think will bring us the potential for some morning showers and then a broken line of showers and storms developing into the afternoon. All the while, the winds will be a little bit gusty. They'll diminish into the weekend as high pressure builds back in, and that's going to give us some great weather for both weekend days. So here's rain tracker on the Zoom, and you can see a few showers coming in, depicting this falling apart for the most part in the morning. But for the morning commute to tomorrow morning, just keep in mind a few showers are possible. We'll break out into sunshine, warm humidity, gusty winds, and there come a few showers. And you see those little cells there. That's indicating even some thunderstorm activity before we drive this down and then get rid of the humidity and the warmth as well. We're going to get into some cooler temperatures. But for tomorrow, there's the platter here, showers and thunderstorms. I think coverage will leave it at 30%, and then we'll drop that to 0 for Friday into the weekend with lower temperatures in the upper 70s. You wake up early enough, it'll be a little bit cool out there with temps in the 60s, and we'll keep that going early next week.